Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aries fire sign, and this reading is from August 1st to August 10th. So let's see what's the messages for you, Aries fire sign. 3 of Pentacles, wow, 2 of Cups, the Empress, King of Cups, Lord of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or you or your person could be Sagittarius. I think you both already know each other, or you both could be colleagues. You both love each other equally because 2 of Cups is here. I think you both want to work on this relationship. I think someone is not expressing their feelings in this connection, but that person also want to work on this relationship this time because 3 of Pentacles is here. But some patience and balance is needed because temperance means patience and balance. Definitely you person, I think you person want to offer this love King of Cups to you, but it will take time because 4 of Pentacles, he is not expressing his feelings. So let's see some more messages for you, Aries, your immediate future. Wow, King of Pentacles, Lord of Earth energy. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yes, I think you are very heartbroken in here. 3 of Swords and 2 of Pentacles. I think it's your person juggling between two things, or you could be juggling between two things. So energy could be vice versa. So you want this stability from your person, but your person juggling between two things because 4 of Pentacles. I think one person in this connection is not expressing their feelings. Eight of Cups, 6 of Swords and Justice. Yes, I think you decided to walk away. 8 of Cups is here, 6 of Swords moving to calm waters and Justice. Yes, you cut them off. You or your person could be Libra, but your person wants second chance with you because but you cut them off because there is no working together. I think your person what but not doing because they are not expressing their feelings. They are juggling. You are heartbroken and you want to walk away from this situation, Aries. Moving to calm water. So let's see your person energy little bit, what your person feeling, and yeah, guilt. Your person feeling guilt. 8 of Swords, your person stuck. Possibilities, 2 of Wands, they are thinking about you a lot. There's and past lives. Yes, you both have strong past life and moon life. Past lives here means the moon, something hidden, ordinariness. 8 of Pentacles. Yes, your person want to work on this relationship, but it is slow. That's why they are juggling. They are not making any decision. Sorrow. Yeah, without you, your person 9 of Swords feeling very sorrow. They want reconciliation with you, but you are fed up with their behavior. You now decided to walk away. You cut them off. For some, definitely you cut them off, if even if there is love between both of you, because when there is no equal give and take, only one person doesn't take the complete responsibility of relationship. That's why you decided to walk away, Aries, but your person want to work on this relationship. So it's up to you to give chance your person or not, but without you, your person feeling very sorrow, and they are waiting for the possibilities to come towards you, and they are thinking about you a lot, but there are some issues are going between both of you. So a lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius also. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.